Let's talk about bitter cola for a minute here. So the last time I mentioned bitter cola, there are a lot of farmers in mostly in West Africa, Sub-Saharan Africa, where they mentioned that they have a lot of bitter cola in their province, in their country. Now, for me as an Asian, I'm not aware of bitter cola. It's just now. So, I mean, just this year. What I know, it is a powerful and nutritional and sometimes even a remedy for snake bites, snake poison, for cough, and stuff like that. So, I'm an avid fan of moringa, and moringa is not just in Africa but even in Asia. But for bitter cola, I know it's only in Africa, which makes you a special um, country or region in Africa where you're the only ones who have it. So I haven't really deep dive into bitter cola yet, but I know that there will be. I mean, once this bitter cola is discovered, not just through me but other foreigners as well, it's gonna explode. Okay, not just in pharmaceutical, but food supplement, and maybe it's gonna be like a natural recipe for restaurants and hotels. I don't know. So for African, my dear African people, now is the time for you to take advantage of bitter cola and talk to people like me so we can come up with strategies and business plan for to enhance bitter cola and probably export it to countries that they need bitter cola badly. Okay, so I suggest you give me all your knowledge in terms of bitter cola, meaning to say what are the good ones and the bad ones, the pros and cons. Okay? So again, I'm very intrigued with bitter cola and I just studied it again and I want to deep dive into it.